my end user, I love the whole architecture of keeping it as a request rather than having a different part for attendance, different part for leaves. I love the fact that for a user, you've only done it request and inbox. So anyone requests anything, it comes in your inbox. You request, you want to request anything, you go to request. So I love that whole thought process. Means something has gone into it, thinking that you've gone to the drawing board. This is a problem. How do we solve it? Okay, not simply we will think how it will work and do it. Which is kudos on creating something like that. I've not seen it yet anywhere else.
I think the first thing which happens is आपको वहाँ दिखता है कि आपका काम कितना pending पड़ा हुआ है. This is one of the important thing. The other thing, it comes to your mail ID also, that these works are your pending. I am happy to see this because so far what happens, any kind of process which we have to get it done through any of the department, then we have to go, or in fact we have to mail them, question them, query them, इसको process close करो, ये close करो, NDC clear करना and all. So right now these will obviously we have to do right now also, but yeah, this will shorten because there's always a one thing, first thing in the mail you see, चाहे कोई mail आई ना हो, HR1 की mail जरूर रहती है कि आपका काम pending है.
I think the beauty of inbox for me is I don't juggle to locate tasks. They are right there in the order of their appearances. Helps me with a very clear visibility. Plus, I can complete each task in under 3 to 4 clicks maximum. It's a good innovation.
Each and every request they're logged in. So I'm able to just add a comment and one click I can approve it, I can reject it. I have control over the employees, and which prior we didn't have, because we use Teams, Microsoft Teams, and only thing we used to track there is what is working on. So all these leaves management and we had this policy right away from the start. We had 21 leaves and everything, whatever is the industry standard, but we never used to tag, we never used to do anything because we used to focus on work and everything. So only thing which we wanted is get the task done.
Getting notification, yes, it's very helpful. Every morning I used to get 8 to 9 requests in terms of attendance regularization, in terms of their leave request, in terms of any other queries. So yeah, all the I would say all the queries I get in the inbox. So it's good. In the morning I can see the summary of all the requests has come through.